In this program, we will see the use of ternary and or conditional operator and size of operator. So hash include stdio dot h int main. Here I will be taking three integer variables a, b and c. I'm initializing a with 2, b with 4. Now c equals to, within bracket, if a is greater than b, put question mark, printf, give the print the message a is big. Colon, otherwise printf, if a is not big then b is big, b is big. You have to close all the brackets. Return 0. Save it. Build it. Not showing any error. Run the program. It is saying b is big because the value of b is 4. Here it is checking if a is greater than b. If this condition is true, this statement will execute. And if this statement is false, condition is false, that is a is not greater than b, then statement 2 will execute. In the same program, we are going to see the use of size of operator. What it does, size of operator returns the size in bytes occupied by a data type. For that, printf within bracket, I'm writing size of character equals to %t double quotes close, comma, size of bracket char, close all the brackets, put semicolon. Same way we can give size of integer, and here we have to change to integer, and the size of float. Size of integer, character and float variables are always in integer, so we are taking %d as format specifier. Save the program. So it is giving the size of character is 1, size of integer is 4 and size of float is also 4.